You give for nothing, but you can't come in. There, have it. Alright, that's enough, mate. Go on, off you get. Go on.
Right folks, we're in the cellar of the bar here and I'm going to have to change a barrel of Fosters. It just run out there. And there's the Fosters down there, it's just run out. Yeah, put a new one on. There we go. Crikey, would you believe it? The Strombow's gone off as well. Good Lord, so I'm going to have to change the Strombow as well folks. So here we go. Right folks, I've just been completely splooshed by the Foss. Got all, oh, it's all in my hair and I'm soaking. Crikey. Right, this thing needs to be. Oh, it's all gone wrong here, hang on. Alright, so that's how not to change a barrel of lager, man. The air just went right in and scooshed straight out and I just got totally soaked in Foster's. It's all in my hair and everything, crikey. I know they say beer is good for your hair, so it should be alright, man, but honestly, barman failed today. Well, folks, here we are. I've just bought myself some beer for tonight. I was in the co-op here in Claypots Road and I met Shanice, who's a subscriber. So hello, Shanice. Thank you for taking the time to say hello. Always nice to speak to people who like the video. So Shanice, that was really nice meeting you. Thank you. You shaking your tic tacs for me? Yes, I'm back home again, folks, after a soaking at the bingo in the cellar. It honestly just splooshed everywhere. However, did you know that Tic Tacs have a little tray on the top here which is designed to aid a single serving portion? And you're supposed to just serve them like this. Rather than into your hand, you're supposed to serve them like this. Right, give them a shake first of all. Then you tip it. And doink, look, there's one there, see? That's how you're supposed to serve them. So there's a little tray thing there, can you see that? There, it is indeed. That's how you're supposed to serve them. These ones are mixers. Cherry and cola I've got in this. But again, give it a shake. One's supposed to come out and come on. There we go, look, see? Single serve. Oh, thank you. Oh, there we go, it's all working properly now, look. There we go. Perfect, eh? There we go. Thank you. Yeah, good morning. Could I just have a cappuccino, please? A regular one.
Yes, I have.
That's all.
Second to the first one, sir.
Thank you. It's Rammy time. There we go. Just look at it, do something about it. Morning, Jack. Go on, Jack. Morning, Jack. On you go. That's it. There you go. That's it. On you go. What's going on with the roll of those? Just seagull around me, folks. Let's throw something into the mix. There's another one. Oh, there we go. Boom. Oh, the crow's got it. It's away. Ha ha! Right, indeed, everybody. A very good morning. This is Thursday today, and we are throwing old rolls to the seagulls and feeding Jack the crow. Today, very healthy today. I bought myself some juice, grapefruit juice for some reason. I don't know why I took a fancy that. I ate a banana this morning. I've got my coffee. Also bought some socks today. Now, I don't know if these are characters from a movie or they're supposed to be like mood things. I don't know, man. So that's Jag's new socks because my Minion ones have all run out. Right, and what else do we get? Oh, the usual, you know, the chocolate pans and the coffee and everything, right? So, to work it is we go today.
White 74, yellow 21, yellow 36, white 65, blue 50, blue 47.
Good morning, folks. This is Friday. Yes, indeed. The long week has ended. Here we are. We've arrived. And not much has been happening really, folks, I'm afraid. Just been a lot of work. Still not feeling too well. Got a bit of a sort of like a cold or something coming on, the flu. I don't know what it is, man, but I've still kind of not recovered totally. So there, hence lack of videos, I'm afraid, folks. Never mind. Make up for it over the next 3 days, I'm sure, with plenty of stuff to do off Saturday, Sunday and Monday. Oh, yes. Right, folks, so I've got about half an hour before I actually start work. So I thought I'd go for a little stroll down here past the fire station. Because I've never walked down here before, so we'll see what it's all about. I'm sure this is one of the cars that they practice with, the fire brigade. And over the back there we have a British Divers Marine Life Rescue Marine Mammal Ambulance. Strange little thing. Crikey. Crash test dummies. That looks just like dummies in the car. Right, we've sneaked in here. Fire brigade. Hello, bro, is that you again? Yeah. You free Sunday? Hello? Bro? Oh, there's no ringtone in this one. No, it's a duffer. Right, here it is, folks. The fire station, Kingsway East. Fire engines. Right, behind me there is Kingsway East, which is the main sort of bypass or arterial route out of the city. It just misses everything out. Goes right the way across down to the start off the Perth to Dundee road. Huge road, man. And I don't really like it. It's okay, I suppose, but it's just one of these roads, loads of traffic lights, it's always busy, and you know. I prefer going down the other way, down the Riverside Drive to exit the city. Now up there, folks, that's where I normally sit and have my breakfast. Just at one of these bits up here, that's it. And we look down onto this bit here. And there's the McDonald's where I always get my coffee from. Good old cappuccino.